name's C3UG. I'm an IBM Champion. We're here at IBM Think in Las Vegas, and I was asked to talk about something I found that was really unique at the show. And although I haven't gone to a lot of sessions, so I can't talk about everything there, the greatest thing I've seen yet is IBM breaking from their normal routine and creating skateboards for people. They're for sale at the show. Reasonable, well, for IBM. So just in case you thought they didn't have a sense of humor, they proved us wrong once again.
I have to say two of the absolute best things I've seen at Think, because they both revolve around my amazing IBM champions. One is here at the Champions booth, where I have 20, 30, 40 IBM champions at a time getting to know each other, meeting each other, and thinking together. And we have that same feeling of thinking together, enthusiasm on Sunday at the IBM Champion and Community Day. First of its kind, but not the last.
The most interesting session that I attended to, I think, was the From Sci-Fi to Reality about quantum computer, and it was like, boom, mind-blowing, and it's a jump into the future. Arvind Krishna was awesome, also presenting some capabilities of the quantum, and I don't understand anything on physics, so it's really hard to teach me this kind of things. So it's definitely the best thing I saw.
What I really like is the Watson workspace. So with the video audio functionality and the ease of use, I think that's really something that everyone needs to explore and to look into. And what I also like, for the first time in a few years, I have the impression that IBM really wants to bring the different products together. And also for the first time in many years, Domino is not forgotten. So that's good news.
My takeaway for this week is that there's a lot of energy coming back now in the Nodes Domino stack. We see a lot of new stuff coming in, so the applications that you can have on an iPad out of the box, so that you can use your applications from out of your iPad, and that you can also replicate them. There's a lot of new vibe, a lot of new energy, and you see it also in the community, so we are really ready to attack again all the old school guys and maybe all the new ones that are interested in having a robust product like Nodes Domino.
Hi, I'm here at Think, and I must say I saw something really unbelievable this week, and that's the Nodes applications running on an iPad. I am so ecstatic about this, so definitely enroll, check it out, and next month, if you're a champion, you can, and even if you're not, if you're part of a community, you can test it out already as of April, but it's going to be part of V10 in October, so you'll love it.
We're really excited to see all the excitement about the Domino announcements that we had. So as an old school yellow bleeder, that was really amazing to see what is coming. And the other things are all related to Watson and AI. It's a very interesting topic, and it's something that we're working on right now. So that was really a further push for us to go on with the technology.
The most interesting thing I've seen here at Think 2018 is all the new features in the upcoming Domino 10, and especially Domino Designer. You have integration with Node.js built into the actual product, not as an add-on, and the promises of all the new things that are going to be there. They have a stretch goal to integrate Git and all the kind of other tools, and this is huge for the Domino development community. Also running the Nodes client on an iPad, that's amazing. You just take your whole Nodes application, run it with Lotus script, formula language, everything, replication, offline, on an iPad. It's amazing stuff they're showing here, and I think it's going to be huge for Domino.
Hello everyone. Here is my first time in Vegas. I'm really enjoying this big hotel, big city, and big conference. I spent most of my time inside labs to touch and play with new technologies. And I really saw also exciting news for Domino Next, Watson Workspace, and IBM Connection too. So I think we will have a great time ahead. Bye.
So I've been very excited about a lot of the practical applications we've seen here with blockchain and Watson and in food safety and shipping. Those are very practical. But as a data analyst, going into the Think Academy with the Watson guys there, looking at the virtual reality 3D data visualization. So going from spreadsheets and you're going to data visualization with your nice colorful presentations, but to actually be able to walk into your data and walk around it and visualize it, pinch in, and it's very, very exciting. It was very cool. I was like a small child and jumped up and down and squeaked a little bit and embarrassed myself. But it's exciting stuff, and it's very sci-fi. We're there, so exciting stuff.
Okay, so the best thing I've seen here, you're at Think, you're at stuff that goes beyond just ICS. So I went to a lab on Node-RED and IoT, and just to get some experience in Node-RED, because I know that Node is coming with Domino 10, and part of that showed dashboards on Node-RED, and the way you build them, the way they look, that's what you want to be looking at in time for Domino 10.
Oh, that was awesome.